Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore the Microsoft Word Ribbon tab. I consider this to be the most important working element in Word because it contains most of the controls and commands to create and edit your document. So, let's get to it. The Word Ribbon displays 10 main tabs. Each tab contains group of controls such as buttons or pop-up menus. A button is a direct command to the document, and a pop-up menu is a group of related commands. Let me show you how they work with an example. I will add a simple text to the document, "Welcome to Microsoft Word," and select it. Now, I will use the font color button to change the color of the text to red. If I click on the arrow, it opens a text color menu, where you can change to a different color from the theme or select more colors if none of these is what you're looking for. So you get the idea how the buttons and the menus work. Let's talk more about the tabs. The active tab will be shown by a different color or underlining the name. To switch tabs, just click on the name of that tab. Let's take a look of each of these tabs and their controls. The first tab, File, is very similar between all Microsoft applications. It opens a new window with different options, like Home, create a new file, open an existing file, save, print, share, export, and close. Home. This tab contains controls to cut, copy, and paste, controls for font type, size, color, styles, controls for paragraph like text alignment, indentation, and adding bullets, controls for style, normal, heading, subtitle, emphasis, and others. Controls for find and replace and select options, and if available for your application version, dictate and editor. Insert. This tab contains controls for inserting a cover page, blank page or page break, inserting tables, inserting pictures, shapes, icons, diagrams, charts, and create screenshots. Create links, bookmarks, and comments. Insert headers, footers, page numbers, insert text objects including text boxes, word art, signature line, date and time, and insert equations and symbol characters. Draw. This tab contains controls for adding free scribble, erasing, and managing the color and style of lines. Design. This tab contains controls for applying themes, document formatting with different built-in options, theme colors and fonts, paragraph spacing, add watermark, page color, and page borders. Layout. This tab contains controls for page setup like margins, page orientation, size, columns, controls for paragraphs like indentations and spacing, and controls to arrange visual elements in the document, positions, wrap text, bring forward or send backwards, and align. References. This tab contains controls to add tables of contents, add text, and update an existing table. Controls to insert and manage footnotes in your document, controls for research, controls to add and manage citations, and add and manage captions and figures, index and tables of authorities. Mailing. This tab contains controls to create envelopes and labels, controls to create a mail merge, and once you create a link for mail merge, the great controls will be available to manage the fields. Review. This tab contains controls for checking spelling and grammar, read aloud, translation and language setting, managing comments, and controls to compare document changes, and protect the document. View. This tab contains controls to change between the different views of the document, print layout, read mode, web layout, outline and draft, controls for focus and immersive reading, controlling whether the ruler, grid line, and guides appear on a screen, zoom-in options, one page versus multiple pages, controls for windows like adding, arranging, and switch between work windows, and managing macros. The ribbon can display additional tabs called context sensitive. For example, if you insert a picture and select that picture, it shows this extra tab called Picture Format, where we get all the controls for this visual element, adjusting the color, effects, picture styles, borders, and some additional controls like positions, wrap text, and size of the picture. Few more things about the ribbon. The groups and controls display's layout will change depending on how wide the work window is. If the window is wide enough, the ribbon will display all the groups and their controls as shown on the screen right now. If the window narrows, Word gradually collapses part of the ribbon to display as much possible with the space available. As you can see, some of the groups of controls start collapsing, creating pop-up menus. You still have all the controls available, just the display is what changed. If you go back to the original window size, you can see how everything goes back in place. I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with Word. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my pages to learn more about this application. I'll see you in the next video.